Keep it wide open. You know you want a nice long countertop. You got plenty of glass. And don't be burying any components. Now that 80-20 framing, start with 1.5 inches. Make sure you leave yourself plenty of options. Options. And don't forget that storage. You want a lot of storage too. And that shower. There's a couple of ways you can handle that. All right, go ahead now. You're ready. I'm ready.
So it's been an exciting year, a busy year, a lot of thinking, a lot of details. My vision is coming to fruition. I see it, it's right in front of me. My plan now is the weekend of August 30th is when I want to do my final finished van tour, front to back, the whole shebang, the whole Megillah. And I'm going to make it just by the skin of my teeth. So what I'm going to do is between now and then, radio silence. No videos, no Instagram, no Facebook. The next video you see is going to be that final finished video tour. And I'll premiere it. We'll have plenty of time, put it on your schedule, and we'll watch it together. I have just got to focus on finishing that van, having it ready. The owner's coming in, going to pick up the van. They're going to travel around this area. They'll stay about 2 hours away in any direction for 2 or 3 weeks. Put it through its paces, see how they like it. Anything they want changed, bring it back. Then beyond that, we got the Vagabond build, and there's more coming beyond the Vagabond build. I've got 4 ProMaster vans on order. They're being delivered the end of September, beginning of October. I've got 2 cargos, 2 window vans. They're all 3500s, heavy-duty premium suspension, and they're optioned out the way I think they should be optioned. Nothing too frivolous, but the options that are important, the ones you really need. So they're the full-size ProMasters. 2 are windows, 2 are cargo. 3 of them are available. I'm making one of those window vans my van. So I'll be building that out. I'd like to build out another one alongside it, side by side. So we'd have a concurrent build, as we sort of did here with Humble B01 and Vagabond. So there's a lot of exciting footage to come. But between now and the end of August, Ningunde.
What does that mean?
Got it.
I need to spend the next few weeks to hunker down and
Okay,
attend to all the
recording.
details.
We're recording. And I've got my mic going. Why are you looking at me like that? Don't look at me like that.
Well, what should I look at you like?
Well, it's been an exciting year. Very exciting year. Will you please? This will take another year just to get this video done. Don't say that.
This is not on.
It's recording.
Cancel it.
Yeah, cancel it. Well, it's been a very exciting year, to say the least.
I'm just sitting here.
That's it. Just look at me. Don't give me any of your
Are you gonna
eyes.
start over?
I'm starting over.
Fireworks are
Fireworks. Fireworks. If it's not sirens, it's fireworks. It's been an exciting year. All my dreams are coming true. My vision is coming to fruition. I can't do this when I know you're staring at
I'm
me.
looking at you. What do you want me to do? I should just leave it.
I might have to block you out.
I'm just sitting here. I'm actually not doing anything.
Okay, I'll try it again.
I can leave.
No, I want you to stay. I like it.